guys, here we go. We got one done, two done, and that's it. We got two in the chem dip we've done so far. So let's see here. Remember how that looked before? I haven't even done anything. I haven't even pulled it out yet. Remember how it looked before? Oil's still sitting on top of it. So what we're gonna do, so we'll just lift that thing up. That basket handle's messing with me. There we go. So there. Let's pour all that stuff back in there. That's what we got so far. So all I'm gonna do is just give this thing a little. I'll set that back down in there for a second. I'm just gonna give that thing a little light wipe down, and then show you guys what we got, so I don't get it all over the camera. But that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm just gonna spray it with brake clean, wipe it off, show you what we have. Okay, I got you on the stand right there. Like I said, I just got done spraying this thing off with the brake clean, and I wiped it off. What was left, just the rest of the gunk. And now this thing is super, like, it just floats like it should. Real nice and loose. All the piston rings are loose again. Even the oil ring is sliding just like that. See that sliding? So all the rings are loose. Everything's looking real nice. I still got some gunk in there. See that? Like, it's not 100% clean yet. Like, I still have a little bit of wiping off to do, obviously. But it is totally like a night and day difference from what it was. I think all you guys can agree on that. And I'm just going to keep on spinning this around a little bit, getting some more of this little gunk out on the piston ring. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on going like this. And I'm going to recheck the gap and stuff on the rings per cylinder. But right now, since we stripped all the oil off of it, I'm going to put some oil on. Right here is just some used, it's not used, it's new oil. I just got it sitting there. So I'm just going to grab some of that on my fingers just like this and kind of smear it around on there. Just like I said, just because we stripped all the oil off of it, so I don't want to have any rust or anything crazy anywhere for any reason. So I'm gonna get some in this pin right here, just like that. I get some on the other side, just like that. Get some on a rod, just to give it some of that protectant from the elements, because this is gonna be sitting here for a second. Anytime you clean anything, you gotta remember to give her a little bit of lube back. So just like this, working around. Whoa. Try not to spill it out of there like that, like I just did, but just kind of working around, get in all the corners. Make sure you get the piston ring and stuff real good. Just kind of working around in there. It's easy, so easy a caveman can do it. That's it. Just like that. Seen it here first. So I'm just gonna let that sit in there like that. It has the main cap and stuff in it still. So I got, let me wipe this bearing surface off. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil on there, just some clean oil. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that bearing back on there just to keep that oil right there where I want it. I'll smooth it all out. keep it right there where I want it. And then we're gonna put the cap back on. Just to keep everything together for now. It's important to keep all the caps together. Because the way these are made, they freeze them and then they break them. So each cap is paired with this rod. Like this cap will not work with any other rod because the brake line right there and right here will not match up with any other piston or rod out there. And then what I'm gonna do is, just to make sure I got oil on every little spot, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of this on there. Just a little extra, never hurt nobody. So there, now I'm just gonna leave it like that, all covered in oil. And I'm gonna put it next to this one because this one's number 1. So now this one will be number 2. Bam. Now I'm gonna go over there and put number 3 in the bucket right here and keep on rolling just like that. What's up, you guys? I just want to give you guys a quick little update of what I've been getting done around this place. So anyway, we're on our last piston out of the new motor to go in the Camaro. Got the heads off the old motor, the one that I had in here, and all the pistons look really good. Like I don't see any damage on any of them. They're all pretty consistent with how the burn pattern is and all that, you know. So there's one side, and the other side's back here. I'll show you guys that too. So like I said, everything looks good. Even that one, that's the one I found that metal on top of the valves, that metal ring. So obviously it never made it back, or it never made it down in the piston area. But man, look at that. Look at that hone job. Look at that hone job, boys. Let me get a light for you. That thing's worth looking at. It's worth looking at there. Let me get on this side where we can see a little bit better. This is the hone job I did with my dingleberry hone. And look at that. Professional. So, just giving you guys a quick rundown here. Got all the push rods right here, all looking brand new. Look at all those new push rods. I don't want to touch them. They're all oily. I got everything all oiled up. Here's the pistons. I got all the rings free. Put oil in them. Coated them. Get them a real nice coat. Real nice coat of oil, so that way nothing rusts while it's sitting here just chilling. So we're almost finished. Excuse me. We're almost finished with that part of it, and then we're gonna start taking the stuff out of this motor and putting it in here as far as the rods and pistons, you know. But first we got to get the crank, bearings, all that stuff. A lot of stuff to do yet. A lot of stuff to do. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I'm making room in here and doing other things. Got to take a pause on this, so I'm stuffing it all in the corner up here. And that's about it for right now. And then I'll have to give you guys an update. Oh, I got this new stand right here. I think it's pretty sweet, eh? And then over here I got this that came in from Motion Raceworks. So let's give that a little open right quick while we're here. I get a knife. Get a knife. It's always good to have a little package opening while we're sitting here waiting. So let's open her up. Oh yeah. You know what this bad boy is right here? This is my new best friend. It's gonna be for my two-step. I'm gonna hook my two-step up with this. So I'll be popping and banging. Pow, 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 pow. Shout out to Motion for the sucker. Gushers were better, but too bad Gushers let them down. The Gushers let them down. No more Gushers, I don't think. It's just gonna be suckers. So, anyway, grab all this stuff out of here. That's it for now. I'm gonna get, like I said, I just got this in for Motion Wasteworks, and man, I got so much everywhere. I'm not sure what's going on. No, I'm just baloney. I'm just like I said, that's the update. I'm rambling. See ya.